25 days to the wedding. It's giving bride to be. It's giving 2025 bride. Relationship.
How?
It was like a marketplace. Tell me why my day is just starting at 5 p.m. 5 p.m. you guys. This is literally 11 minutes past 5. And my day is literally just starting, and I am not even joking about that. Oh, night shift is not something that you want to do for a long period of time because it's going to mess you up badly. And you know what is even crazier? I'm on a long day tomorrow. Y'all, I just finished 2 night shifts. I worked on Saturday and on Sunday. Today is Monday, which is supposed to be my off day, but it's not because I just came back home this morning and I'm on a long day tomorrow. Y'all, like, it's crazy. It's crazy. Yeah. But you know what? I can't even complain. Like, I just can't complain. There's a lot going on at the moment, and I feel like I just have to endure, if that's even the right word. Anyways, welcome to a new vlog. So this is my first vlog of the year. Today is 20th of January, and this is my very first video of the year. I'm not even going to lie, this wasn't what I planned. Yeah, I planned on filming like a life update video at the beginning of January, and then I fell ill. Like I was down with the flu really bad. I recovered. It's just been from one thing to the other. Life has been lifing. A lot of things have been going on, and I sold my lighting. That's another thing that has been injuring me from filming. Right now it's just like a crazy setup, so even if the quality of this video is good, maybe I might be able to work with that to film the life update video. But anyways, welcome to a new vlog. I am kind of happy, yeah, to be filming this vlog. I have a couple of things to do, even though it's past 5 p.m. already and my day is literally just starting. But I still have a couple of things to do. These nails have to go. Can you guys see how bad the overgrowth is? Can you guys see? I've had these nails since I think 10th of December. Now I'm going to the gym. I haven't been to the gym also in like a long time, like in 2 weeks thereabout, because I was ill and then work and everything. So I want to try to go to the gym now, even though I don't like going to the gym at this time of the day. When you go to the gym at past 5, it's like everybody and their mamas are at the gym. And when I come back, I have a couple of things to unbox. And you guys, my room is a mess. Can you guys see what is going on behind me? Look at that. I have things literally everywhere, everything lying around, because we are moving and exactly 25 days to the wedding. I don't know if you guys can see. That's our wedding website, by the way. But anyways, yeah, I'm so excited. It's 25 days to the wedding. So before we go to Nigeria, we basically have to move out of this current house, because obviously nobody wants to be paying rent when they are not there. So yeah, that's why everything is in a mess. I'm trying to pack. Yeah, what else, you guys? I feel like I've been talking for so long, but also I haven't posted yet on YouTube. Today is the 20th of January, and it's been like over a year since I last posted on YouTube. You guys, I really want to be back, but I don't know, I'm just having this anxiety of coming back at the same time. I feel like maybe a lot of people don't even know who the Betty O is anymore. That's such a weird thing to say, because like a couple of my subscribers have even reached out to me, which I am so thankful for. I really do appreciate them. There's one special person I'm going to shout out to. She has literally been checking up on me and asking, Betty, when are we getting a new YouTube video and all of that. So I'm excited to be back. and I am not yet back, if you get what I'm saying. So I still need to film this life update video because I just don't want to throw out a vlog just like I never left, and I feel like I just owe you guys context. So everything I'm going to be posting from on here on out, yeah. You guys have been talking for so long, so that's the agenda. I also want to bake cake, so when I'm back in the house from the gym, I'm going to bake that. I have oats. I'm going to bake oats cake. I'm also trying to use up some of my foodstuffs so I don't waste a lot of things. I got this magnetic mount from Amazon that I want to unbox with you guys. I am going to try it out at the gym. By the way, I am filming with my DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and I've been loving the camera so far, to be honest. I actually sold my Sony ZV-1 because, I don't know, I liked the camera when I first got it, but subsequently, I don't know, it just became bulky for me to carry, and then the stress of like transferring videos and all of that, like, yeah, I basically sold off the camera and then I added money to it to get my DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and I have been loving it so far. It's so compact, the quality is great. Anyway, so I got this magnetic mount from Amazon, so yeah, let's see what it looks like. Of course, you guys will get a travel vlog when we are going to Nigeria. So let us do a quick magnetic test. There you go. It does take pretty good. This is what it looks like, and yeah, the magnet is very strong, if I'm being honest. I want to assume that this is only because it's on a box. So apparently the nail salon is closed, so I cannot get these nails out today. I guess that would be on Wednesday because I'm working tomorrow. So yeah, that was a fail. I should have known because it's already 5:41, if you guys can see. So I mean, I just have to go on Wednesday to get it out. So yeah, I'm on my way to the gym now anyways. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, to be honest. It depends on how much people are in the gym and how much equipments are free. How many equipments are free. That's going to determine what exactly I'll be doing in the gym. But let's see, let's find out. Catch you guys later. Guys, I just finished at the gym and that gym was fully packed. Like, it was like a marketplace. That's why I don't like going to the gym between 5 to 7 p.m. because it's like the whole world literally is there. So I mean, I wasn't really comfortable to like film a lot. I tried to film as much as I could, but so like there was somebody at every corner, so I couldn't film that much. But anyways, I got my workout in. It's currently like past 7 at the moment, and I am headed back home. I showed you guys at the beginning of my exercise. I had already almost met my goals for the day, because I told you guys my shift was busy last night. I was literally walking up and down throughout the whole shift, so I almost met my daily exercise goal by the time I got to the gym. So this one was just like an extra icing on the top, right? Anyways, I'll catch you guys when I get home. Bye. Yo, so it was leg day and my legs are currently shaking. Like, I did 20 minutes on the Stairmaster after all my exercises, and y'all, yeah, if you know what I mean, if you know, you know. So I'm just going to get in my protein intake. Take 1 scoop after my exercise session, just to meet up with my daily protein intake. To be honest, I don't take this on days that I don't go to the gym. Let's go take a shower real quick. Alright guys, so we are clean now. I have done my skincare routine. Look at that glowing skin. It's giving bride to be. It's giving 2025 bride. It's giving I'm a bride. It's giving I'm a wife. You guys, I don't know what I'm talking about, but yeah, we're clean now, so let us go downstairs to bake. Let's go.
I don't know how to go about it. People, that's made somebody to monetize it.
1,000 subscribers.
So you've got 1,000 subscribers.
I'm at 1.9.
1.9.
Amen in Jesus' name. 1,900.
You want to talk about this thing that you're doing, huh?
I'm vlogging, so like how my day has been, what I've been doing.
Oh. But you're not talking now. Okay,
Yeah, I'll put music.
You do whatever.
Music, yes.
No, I do whatever.
They've cast, no, it was actually banned.
But now he said now it's back. Like,
Yes, relationship.
How? You want to start making people?
That's the meaning. Don't blame it.
treat them like slapping, beating them and all that. You get all these young people, they like 100K. Just saying, make me angry. No, I don't think
Okay. Oh my god, it's so crunchy outside. Oh, you guys. Yo, I wasn't recording all along. That's so annoying. So yeah, there are stuff that are actually important for the wedding. It was supposed to be a window shopping, to be honest, and then I came back with a bag full of stuff. You guys, this wedding season, like, anyways. So I'm just going to show you guys some of the things that I got real quick. No time, and I'm going to end this vlog because I am going to work tomorrow and I need to rest. These cute heels that I got from Zara. Oh, I love it, like, so much. It's so cute. I just saw it randomly, you know. I wasn't even planning to buy this. Actually, I was looking for something like this, white heels, to go with my after party dress. So I was like, why not? I ordered this purse from Shein, and I think it was only for like £6 or something. But yeah, this also looks nice and it matches perfectly, like Look at it. It looks like they were made together. Something nice for a decent price. I really don't mind. Okay, so I got this set from Zara, and you guys, here is the catch. Okay, it was 40% off when I bought it, so that's like a very good deal. But not the regular one, it's the intense, yeah, shimmering body lotion actually. And I got this because, of course, like I said, it's giving bride. It's giving 2025 bride. Okay, I felt like it was going to be useful. Like, it's shimmering, I need to be glowing. Okay, so I was like, yeah, why not if not. Oh my god, it smells exactly the same as the perfume. So imagine layering this with the perfume. That's like an amazing combo. Okay. So I got this one, it's Shades of Joy. It was also 40% off. Red Zara Temptation. Like, I can just drop this in my hand luggage. This is the main reason why I got this. It would fit perfectly into my hand luggage, and it's only 30 mil. And I got this for 40% off. The original price was $12.99. I went to get my wedding wristwatch. Yo, like, have been just putting it off and saying like, oh, I'll get it. But then I realized that, Betty, you actually have no time, so you have to go get that wristwatch right now. So I was like, I saw this at TK Maxx, and I was like, yeah, let me just get it. And it's the Beverly Hills Polo Club wristwatch. I decided to get mixed metal because I just feel like it would just make my life easier. I wouldn't have to wear like a gold one or a silver one. I wouldn't have to change it. That's what I mean. So I got this one. It's a mixed metal one. So it's a mixed one, like silver and gold, and the face is actually a bit big because I like big wristwatches. I don't like tiny wristwatches because I just feel like it doesn't sit well on my wrist. So I have to take out some of the chain, but this is what it would look like. And yeah, that looks really nice. I'm so tired. I need to sleep. I feel like I need to sleep, but I'm not feeling sleepy yet. I have to put everything inside my bridal box. Bridal box in quotes, because this is what I am calling it, bridal box. So I am calling it bridal box because this is basically everything that I'll be needing for the wedding, but just in one box. Okay, so I have my other stuff in the other boxes, in the other box, but this one is majorly bridal stuff. I have gifts for my bridesmaids. I have this stuff for party favors, my shoes. This is my wedding shoe. I'm not gonna show you guys just yet. Alright, you guys, one of the nails just came off and this broken. Oh, this is so painful. I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. It's literally been like kind of a very chill day for me, but I do hope that you guys have enjoyed the vlog regardless. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. You guys should make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Tap on the bell notification down there so you don't miss any of my subsequent videos. Okay, I promise you there's a lot of content coming, beautiful videos coming, so you can't afford to miss that. All right, you cannot afford to miss it, so make sure you subscribe down there, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.